How to fix Cash App won't let me add debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix the issue where Cash App won't let you add a debit card. First, launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. You will land on the profile section of your account. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the option named Support. This will take you to the Cash App support page, where you'll see various sections designed to help you resolve issues. Scroll through the list and tap on the section labeled Adding Money. Once you do that, you'll be taken to another page with more related options. From those, select the one named Add Money. On the next page, look for and tap the option called Problem Linking Bank or Card. This will load yet another page where you'll find the option named Problem Linking Debit Card. Once you're on this page, you'll see steps provided on how to correctly link your debit card. If you've already followed those steps and the issue persists, then scroll down and tap on the option labeled Chat. The support chat window will open up. Type a clear and brief message explaining the problem you're experiencing with linking your debit card. After typing your message, send it and wait for the Cash App support team to respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me add a debit card.